Welcome to this short meditation. In the next 5 minutes, we will focus on easing stress and releasing anxiety. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Rest your hand on your lap, palms facing up. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Let's begin by taking 3 slow deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the air filling your lungs as you breathe in and feel any tension melting away as you breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in and release. Now bring your attention to your body, starting from the top of your head and gently scan down. Notice any tension in your forehead, around your eyes or your jaw. Breathe in, and as you exhale, let these areas soften and relax. Shift your focus to your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Relax your arms, your hands, and let go of any tightness. Feel the warmth of relaxation spreading down from your shoulders to your fingertips. Notice your chest and your stomach. Are you holding tension there? Take a deep breath and let it go. Feel your belly soften with each exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your awareness to gently settle on your body. Feeling grounded and supported by the earth beneath you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more connected to this sense of stability and calm. Bring your attention now to your legs, allowing them to feel heavy and grounded. Notice any tension in your knees, your ankles, or your feet. With each breath, let go of any tightness, feeling yourself sink deeper into relaxation. Now I invite you to bring to mind a peaceful place, a place that brings you comfort and calm. It could be a bench, a forest, or a quiet room. Imagine yourself there, feeling completely safe and relaxed. Notice the color, the sounds, the scents in this place. Feel the peace that surrounds you. As you sit in this place of peace, remind yourself that it's okay to let go of worries and anxieties, even just for this moment. Say to yourself, I am safe, I am calm, I am at ease. Allow these words to settle into your mind, bringing a deeper sense of calm with each breath. Take a few more deep, calming breaths. Allow that this peaceful place is always within you. ready to be visited whenever you need it. Now gently start to bring awareness back to your surrounding. Notice the sound and sensations around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling energy return to your body, grounding you in the present moment. When it feels right, slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking these few minutes for your well-being. Remember, this calmness is always within reach whenever you need it.